everyone and welcome. Let's learn how to install IntelliJ IDEA on our Mac machines. You can navigate to jetbeans.com, IDEA downloads section. In that, you can have it on Windows, Mac, or Linux machines. There is two versions of it, Ultimate and Community. Community version is open source, it's for free, and there's an Ultimate which is the licensed version. You can download it by clicking on, I'll be using Mac OS, so I'll be hitting download on this one. Once you have it installed or downloaded, you can double click on the downloads, drag it to the application. Once it's done, you can click on IntelliJ IDE's community version. You can open the IDE, agree terms and conditions, and click continue. So you can use this or this, skip import, and here you go. So your community version is already installed now. You can now create a new project or open an existing projects.